Verifying your Google Drive account is essential to ensure security and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Sign in with your Google account credentials if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Check for verification notification. Once logged in, look for any notifications or prompts regarding account verification. Google may prompt you to verify your account if it detects unusual activity or if it's your first time accessing Drive. Step 3. Choose verification method. Select your preferred method for verification. This could include receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Ensure that the contact information linked to your account is up to date. Step 4. Enter verification code. If you receive a verification code, enter it in the designated field on the Google Drive interface. Follow any additional prompts to complete the verification process. Step 5. Confirm successful verification. After entering the code, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You can now access all features of Google Drive without restrictions. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Google Drive account is verified and secure. Regularly check your account settings to maintain up-to-date contact information for future verifications.